Okay, you're in Microsoft Excel and you want to convert days to months. So I've got the number of days between these dates in column C using this formula. So the quick and dirty way of doing this is just to divide by 30. And if you want to convert to integers, just use the integer function. Now, if you want a slightly more accurate way of doing this, you could calculate the average number of days in a month. So you might say 365 divided by 12. And then divide the number of days by that calculation. I suppose if you wanted to account for leap years, you might say 365.25. And then if I use the integer function again, we'll get a whole number. Now, if you want to calculate the number of completed months, use the date diff function. It won't appear in the IntelliSense list, nor will you get a screen tip listing its arguments. But its arguments are start date, comma, end date, comma, and then all you do is you put M for month in speech marks. You see I get different answers depending on the method I use.